Alright, what's up guys, Marc, Augustine here, and in this video what we're going to talk about is a free course that Marco put together for you guys, and I'll put a link in the description so you can sign up for that. But like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We're going to... So, who are you?
Hey everyone, so my name is Marco and I'm a full-time dropshipper. So right now I'm dropshipping. I've been dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops for a year. And I've learned a lot, so yeah, that's what I do.
Alright, my name is Marc Augustine, YouTuber, entrepreneur, dropshipper for 10 years. And if you've never seen me before, like and subscribe. I'm a beautiful black man. But yeah. So what are we going to get into is why you created, or we created a free course for Facebook dropshipping. I have my own opinion why I think it's important, but why do you think someone should go check out the free course?
All right, so basically we launched the paid course, right, before actually launching the free course, right? And we launched the free course because there was people talking to us and sending us messages about how they wouldn't understand what dropshipping is about and how it would work.
Right.
So I went ahead and took the liberty to like make a free course, right? That's actually going to make people money. Like this is like for beginners and even for advanced people, because the strategy that I'm using is actually something that works, right?
Okay.
So pretty much that's the story. Like something like very simple, something that anyone can do that is free and that's gonna make you money if you're actually like going looking for a side job, going to college, university, whatever. I mean, with 2 hours, working like 2 hours with this course, like learning this course and working for like 2 hours is gonna make you money.
Okay, so this is my opinion about the whole free course, right? On the internet, a lot of people sell courses. And like, you could say that they could give away the course for free, or they could sell it, or whatever. But, and a lot of people take advantage on the internet about the fact that if you want to make money, you have to invest money. And that's true. But the purpose of this free course, in my opinion, is specifically for beginners who don't think it's possible to make money online, or never made money online before, or don't have any clue what Facebook dropshipping is about, how it works, where you get suppliers from, how you do product research, how you list items. If you are that human, that is what this free course is about. That is who it is for you. Because you want to get your feet wet, you want to get a basic understanding. If you don't have money to pay $100, $150, $200, $300, whatever the price is for the paid course, we have took the time, the energy, and a lot of experience that Marco has, and made a concise small course to give you guys anything you need to start making money now. So go check out the free course, go like the video, like this video watching, subscribe to the channel, put a comment in the comment section, ask us anything, join the Facebook group. So we have a Facebook Dropshipping Profits group where you join and you can interact with other dropshippers, ask questions. All the guys in the paid course, we have a special group. Marco does live calls with the guys in the paid course. But the purpose of the video is to let you know that you have an option to learn all the basics you need for Facebook dropshipping. Now it's 100% free. Go check it out. Like, subscribe. Peace. 2.